What's up? Today I'm going to show you how to turn off certain notifications within Windows 11. Well, let's get into it. All right, so here we are on the Windows 11 desktop. You're going to come down to your Windows search bar down here at the bottom. You're going to type in notifications and actions. Once you see it, you go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to be within notifications in your system settings. You're going to see notifications right here at the top. You can turn off all notifications in general from this setting. So if you're just tired of everything, you can get rid of it here. I personally do not recommend that because you're going to miss everything on your computer. You don't want to do that. And then you have do not disturb. So what this does, if you turn this off, it's going to remove the actual little pop-up in the bottom right, but you can still get to the notifications down here in the bottom right. You'll see a bunch, like a little number. It'll say like 23 or 25 or maybe 2, whatever amount of notifications you have. You just click in there and you can see what's happening on your computer. And then finally, you can do it by the application. Let's say you don't like your Outlook notifications or your OneDrive or maybe your Teams. You can go in, like for me, example right here, you have mail. I don't like my mail notifications. I'll turn that off. And that turns it off for the remainder of time on this computer. If you want to turn it back on, you'd come back in here and you click on right there. And then right here, you see OneDrive. You can turn off OneDrive notifications, and then OneDrive notifications are off for good. You can sort it also by most recently installed, or you can sort it by name. I personally recommend name because, you know, it's easier to find by name. Let's say you want to scroll down to find Teams. You'll scroll down to T, and then you can automatically just turn that off. But you don't have to save it or do anything. It just saves by itself. But that was how to turn off annoying system notifications in Windows 11. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section, and then make sure you like and subscribe. And don't forget to take it easy.